First of all, give your introduction to audience.
Hello friends, good afternoon. So my name is Dheeraj. I am 26 years old and I work in IT sector in Noida. My company name is Nokia Private Limited. So my background is BSc. There is a no technical background I had, but I chose technical background in IT sector. So this is my.
When did you switch your career?
I switched my career after my graduation.
After your graduation. So, what is your designation at present?
Actually, I am Power BI developer in IT sector.
So, what degrees are required to be a Power BI developer? I have also heard even 12 guys can also do.
Actually, there is no degree for any particular job. So you need to have their skill and mindset to be done their work, and so you need to only skill. There is no type of degree you need.
Okay. Are you feeling hesitation right now?
Yes, it is my first time to on the stage, so that's why I am hesitating.
What took you so long to come here on the stage? इतनी देर कैसे हुई यहाँ पे आने पर?
Actually, I have my English is very not good, so that's I choose. So that's I choose the learn English. So that is why I am coming to RA Education. I found many spoken English teachers and motivation leaders. So that's why. But I found something else in our education, so that's why I chose this institute to learn the English.
I want to know why have you skipped so many sessions? You
Actu-
already joined us last month, so why did you miss so many and skip so many sessions?
Actually, I'm doing a job in Noida, so I travels daily basis. So I spend lot of time in metro. So that's why I spend lot of time in metro, approx 4 hours per day. So that's why I'm very tired. So I get 2 days to rest. So that's why it is my it's personal. So that is my I joined very.
What will change in your life after learning English?
Actually, in my technology and my company, there are many client which need to. There are many client which are belonging to Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Pakistan also. And so that is why the English is very global language. So that's why I want to know English and learn English. So I need to great conversation with them. So that's why I choose the learn English.
What are you most proud of in your life? You are proud of something in your life that at least I have accomplished this thing in my life.
Actually, I am prouding because on that thing, I am belonging to non-technical background, but I I doing the job in technical. I doing a job in technical. So that's why it is a proud for me.
Is there anything you want to speak? Anything, whatever comes in your mind, because you need to build your confidence level. The more you speak, the more you will learn.
You need to more concentrate on yourself and take time to grow up on yourself. That is a way.
Do you think anybody can learn English here?
Anybody can learn English because there is nothing possible to do in their life. So anyone can learn English.
Are you confident about yourself? You will learn English.
Yes, I am damn sure I will learn English.
If you are confident about yourself, it means you believe in me. Well done, clap.